Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something that came in a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. This is some Myojo Charumera Shoyu. And it's like, it's a pretty neat cup. I've always liked the Charumera, the look to their cups. And they've got the little guy blowing the horn. That's what it's named after. Charumera is the little horn. Then of course he's got the little black cat because he's out there in the middle of the night. You know, that's what he does. That's his deal. So yeah, see? Night. And then there's the, where'd it go? There it is. Yeah. What's up with the train? The kitty cat train. Anyways, 270 mils of water. You can see it right here from the base of the lid. There you go, for 3 minutes. There's a lid. It had a liquid sachet on top. Oh my. So, what do we do in this situation when I've already cut up the cup? Well, we got 270 noodle block, seasonings. Here's the little sachet. Got 3 minutes on the clock, and I usually give it a flip. I flip the flippin' thing, just, you know. Water was warm out of the tap, and then it was microwaved for 1.5 minutes, so we will give it a try in this method. Worst case scenario, I gotta heat it up a little bit more. I know, but that's just how it goes. So, what's going on? It looks like I think Iowa's done. I think Bernie won the Iowa caucuses. I think. I'm guessing. And then today, Trump did his big, I was exonerated. Happy dance, yeah. But he did get impeached. Don't let anybody tell you that he didn't get impeached. He got impeached in the House. He just didn't get removed from office in the Senate. So, but the difference this time is that somebody from his own party voted to have him removed from office, voted him guilty, which is the first time that's ever happened in the history of the United States. So, I don't know, you didn't get kicked out, but that's not a great, I'd be like, okay, yeah, I'm sorry, I won't do it again. Let's just get back to work. That would have been impressive, but not this guy, no. I'm just glad, I'm glad the whole thing's rolling. We get on to hopefully having a new president in a few months. Or not. Could happen both ways. With the way that they did Iowa, boy, that made me go like, you know what? I'm just gonna vote for frickin' Trump just out of spite to the DNC because I'm a serious hardcore tree hugging, taking away your guns liberal. But if the party goes that far out of whack to just screw everything up almost on purpose just so they can get Biden or somebody that's not Bernie, screw them. Big time. Screw them. It ain't right. It's It's not fair. I mean, you're gonna complain about Russians meddling in the elections? Don't do it yourselves to make yourselves feel like you're doing the right thing for your big donors. Just saying. Would I actually vote for Trump? I wouldn't. I don't prefer the idea or concept of doing such a thing. However, I will say this. I live in Washington State. I know the state is going to go for Bernie unless, like last time, super delegates take over and go like, no, you can't have what you want. That really ticked me off last time too. So actually, I didn't vote for Clinton. I voted for Mountain Dew because I was drinking a Mountain Dew and it said on the bottle, vote for Mountain Dew. So I did. I don't think it was really what they meant or had in mind, but I figured, this is a very liberal state. The likelihood that it would go any which way but Clinton. Thick, gooey. There you go. There's a lot of that. A lot of the stuff. Stir it up. Make sure you can see the insanity here. Yeah, so Zen Pop told me today that they weren't gonna send me any more boxes on a monthly basis because they don't send other influencers boxes on a monthly basis. Like, I don't care about your other people that are doing videos for you. Mine are the best. Like, you've been sending me boxes every month forever. Come on, don't get cheap. Zen Pop doesn't pay for their influencers, which I think is a really big mistake. That's why I'm even mentioning this. You know, I'm just kind of like, oh, well, you're gonna say, well, we can't give you more than this. Nah, nah, nah. So I just asked them nicely. I was like, can you please continue sending boxes? Thank you. So we'll see what they say. Let's give it a try. It's a nice shoyu. Very salty. Get a hit of the broth. What do we got there? Just a little bit of cabbage. Nothing but the cabbie hit. Oh. What we got? Some more. Okay. A good amount of cabbage. I think I saw some bits of, not sausage, but maybe mince going on in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take out some of these noodles because they just bulk things up way too much. Because you won't be able to see the broth in the final beauty shot. So let's get rid of some of these noodles. We'll see how that works. And with me, of course, as usual, is our friend Rotato. Hello, Rotato. How are you doing today? It's Thursday. Whoa. Why are you... Yeah, that's better. Okay. Like so much stuff in these. That's good. We'll throw some of this Naruto Maki on top. What I like, I mean, these are neat, but they're, I don't know. With Naruto, I like the stuff I get at the store that's frozen. Or at least close to frozen. Fish cake's important. Yeah, this one's good. Alright. So... yeah. Well, let's start with the egg. A little love offering egg. We're gonna go right, yeah. And a little egg friend right there. Hello, egg friend. Poor Miles just has a little cough that's been hanging on for a while. I don't think he enjoys it so much. Haven't been able to get over to Wajimaya to get my chashu, so that's what we're kind of stuck with there. Get you over here. There you go. Let's veg it up. Some vegetables down here. Got some spring onion. Come on, you. And go with some oil. And some, this is Nanami Togarashi. Might as well just call it shichimi. That's what I was told, at least. And let's go with the black one. That will make first name, last name happy. Constant viewer on the YouTube. And yeah, I think we're good. So let's get all up close and personal. Turn on old Rotato and go to the races. Right, like, yeah. Yeah, alright, well cool. Thank you to the folks at Zen Pop for shooting this over. It's a nice little shoyu cup. Yeah. Charumera by Myojo. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment in your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.